Warmer Roof is the ultimate timber roof system designed to transform conservatories and extensions into year-round living spaces. This installation video demonstrates each step required to assemble your new Warmer Roof. Fully JHAI building control compliant, giving you peace of mind and adding value to your home. Before starting, measure all frame facets and check all sizes are correct. Completely remove the existing roof system. Sit the structural glulam eaves beam onto the existing frames, ensuring the inside edge is flush with your internal frame. Fix the eaves beam through the underside of the frames and fix at each corner. Fix steel corner braces onto the eaves beam to further enhance structural integrity. Mark a chalk line onto the brickwork, showing the internal ridge height or the ridge centerline. Prop your timber ridge at the correct height with an acro prop. Position your timber wall plate at the correct height and fix into position with concrete fixings. Lower the lean-to hip into position, ensuring bottom edge is level with the prefixed batten on the eaves beam. Lower your valley into the corner, ensuring it's tight against the ridge. Lower your modular pods onto the prefixed eaves batten, starting from the lean-to end and working your way around the valley. Fix each pod to the eaves beam and tack adjoining pods. Ensure all wall pods sit flush against the brickwork. Position solid hips against ridge and tack into position. Lower all remaining pods and fix. Pre-drill holes, insert bolts, washers and nuts supplied and tighten. Position the eaves protector onto the edge of the roof and staple into position. Ensure a 150mm overlap at each join for maximum protection. A breathable, weatherproof membrane is laid to give your roof ultimate protection against the elements. Lay the membrane so that any joints are running horizontally to the pitch of the roof and staple. Full-height contemporary glass panels and roof window are installed, ensuring your new room is flooded with natural light. Apply watercourse down all sloping walls and at gable ends. Fix your aluminium starter trim around perimeter of the roof, allowing a 50mm overlap. Position GRP valley tray and fix into position. A tile mesh is applied to give your tiles room to breathe. Roll mesh out evenly and staple into position. Apply your chosen tile. Cut to suit at valley and hip junctions. Timber battens are fixed to the roof at hip and ridge joints. Apply expanding tape to underside of batten before fixing. Ridge end caps, hip tiles and ridge to hip adapters are then fixed to the timber battens. Cut fascia board to size and fix to eaves beam with the poly top pins provided. A stylish OG gutter system is supplied for a contemporary look. A premium insulated plasterboard is added internally for additional thermal and vapor protection. Cut to size and fix directly to underside of roof rafters, ensuring all joints are taped and sealed. Your Warmer Roof is now complete and ready to be enjoyed all year round. Warmer Roof has solutions for lean-to, Edwardian, Victorian, gable end and combination. Our versatile timber system means that bespoke options are also available. Precision, innovation and craftsmanship rolled into one.